Hello and welcome to the next episode of The Heroines of Armed Forces. Friends, in this series, we are going to learn how the wives of armed forces personals and lady officers serves the nation. Today, we have Major Sapna with us. She is a wife of Colonel Venu Madhav. Colonel Venu Madhav is a four-time winner of Gallantry Award. He has served the Indian Army for 26 years. He is a recipient of Unit Citation, and this is a very great honor. Colonel Venu has commanded 95 Medium Regiment. He is the first and the last commanding officer who has received this prestigious Unit Citation. Colonel Venu is now serving in a corporate as a head of security. Today we have Major Sapna with us. She has served in Indian Army for 10 years in Army Dental Corps, then ECHS. After that, she has served 5 years in Amazon. During her army tenure, she has served in J&K as well as Northeast as a field posting. She has participated in Kargil War. She is the first lady who has received the Best Shot Training Award. Major Sapna, how are you doing today?
Very good. I feel very excited to be here and the opportunity to have this talk with me, and which is very close to my heart.
My pleasure. Major Sapna, first of all I want to ask you how you came in Indian Army.
In 1996, I had traveled from Bombay to Delhi Army Headquarters. I had this round table interview with 10 to 12 members who took my interview, and thereafter a practical Viva test and a medical checkup. And post that, the ratio was 1:40 in selection.
Oh.
So I was lucky to be selected as, and I joined Army Dental Corps in March 1997.
Great. Now Major Sapna, tell me about your peace and field posting.
Mr. Mishra, I had a very wonderful tenures, both in peace as well as field. So to start with, my peace postings was Ahmedabad, where in 2001 there was Gujarat Kutch earthquake, where I had taken part in the relief operations. So then my peace posting was Bhatinda, but we moved along with my 2-year-old daughter. I had gone to western sectors because it was a high alert time.
Okay.
Now my field postings, I was lucky to get this opportunity to establish a green dental section in a CI Ops Terrian in J&K, and I was the first lady to reach up to the LOC, the far-flung remote area where the soldiers were posted, and I could do their dental inspection and also identify the people who had who needed immediate attention, and then they could be directed back to the center. But we moved with our weapons, mobile equipment, surgical equipments, and medicines. And those days we also had these medical stores droppings because of the road blocks and the ambush threats, etc., which was very prevalent those days.
ओके मुझे सपना, आपने तो झांसी की रानी की तरह आपने एक वेपन भी उठाया है और मदर टेरेसा की जैसे आपने लोगों की सेवा भी की है, ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है। अभी आप मुझे ये बताइए, जब कर्नल वेणु का जब उन्होंने यूनिट कमांड किया था, तो आप भी तो आर्मी में सर्विस कर रहे थे, तो आपने कैसे उनको सपोर्ट किया उस समय?
Along with being an army officer, I also was fortunate to be a army wife to a commanding officer, to an army officer. So during his command, especially the responsibilities were more than other tenures. So we had my husband commanded both in field as well as in peace, and during peace stations there were families who were staying in the location, and we had vocational centers, like number of welfare activities were carried out. In that vocational center we would teach them, cookery classes were held, computer classes were held, language learning, people who would come from villages did not know Hindi language.
Okay.
So basic things, just to empower them so that they are more skilled and to face the world. And we had especially centralized tuition classes for children who are in 10th, 11th, 12th, so that they have a firm ground to face the and a good background to face the competitive exams which are coming. In field, when the unit moved to field, there were families who stayed back. So then the responsibilities were added on, especially visiting to their homes, weekly visits, weekly or 10 days visit, and then also to keep up the morale of the families and to remind them that they are the power behind the husband who's serving in the field area, and to resolve the day-to-day home issues at that level itself, at home itself, so that the soldier back is not worried about the home front, and they are able to carry out their duties and be alert, especially in the field areas.
कंधे से कंधा मिला के पूरा साथ दिया आपने तो। मुझे सपना, आपने तो जिंदगी में बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस का सामना किया है जब आपकी फील्ड पोस्टिंग थी, तो आप किसी एक चैलेंज के बारे में बताइए जो आपको बहुत आपने यानी दिल के करीब हो और आपने उसको कैसे टैकल किया?
During Kargil operations, Mr. Mishra, we were responsible for establishing a forward surgical unit. So this was a transiting place where the soldiers would come, we would give the immediate attention, and I was a blood bank officer. So my primary responsibility was to ensure that there is no stockouts and the blood bank is well stocked, and also to ensure that I, along with my surgical team, we transport the soldier with giving good first aid and whatever surgical assistance we could provide, and then help them to get airlifted or to send them to ambulances to the forward base hospitals. So these were the most challenging, Mr. Mishra.
But you tackled it very well.
Thank you.
मेरे सपना, आपकी तो यानी इतनी स्वीट मेमोरीज होंगी, आप कुछ अपनी मेमोरीज के बारे में बताइए। और आप दोनों वर्किंग थे, तो आपने वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस कैसे किया था?
I had plenty of sweet memories to talk about throughout my youngster days, post-marriage, as a mother, in the army career. To think of, in the beginning, I was as a youngster posted in Yule Cant, and I remember that every evening there would be two leopard cubs who would visit where I used to stay, and they would be in the lawn playing. So I would watch them, and I would feel close to the nature, and spend most of my evenings watching them, and it was a delight, and it's very different. Then thereafter we were after marriage I was posted to places like Wellington Army War College, Mao, where I and my children, both of us could learn golf, tennis, bakery, learn baking, do cookery, learn more about cooking, and it improved our skills. And while doing higher command, I was also lucky to join my husband along with the syndicate to places like Japan, Macau, Hong Kong, which gave us a worldwide exposure. So this I attribute to our stay in the army. And regarding work-life balance, we could take out time to go. What coaching we got, we could go to golf and play football along with my daughters, and we ensured that we had time for the important events for each other, and prioritize and also give importance to the work first, and then the leisure hours. But overall it was a very fulfilling experience and very enriching experience.
And both of you have managed it well as well.
Thank you, Mr. Mishra.
मेजर सपना, आपने तो कॉर्पोरेट में भी काम किया है और आर्मी में भी काम किया है, तो आपके हिसाब से यानी दोनों में से क्या बेटर है, कॉर्पोरेट में काम करना या आर्मी में काम करना?
Mrs. Mishra, army I have served for 20 years, and because I served for 20 years in the army, I got the opportunity to join corporate. Army is a way of life, teaches you a sense of responsibility, discipline, punctuality, sense of time, ownership, and also a sense of your belongingness, fraternity. I would give the credit to the army, no doubt, for army has brought the best out of me from of what I am today.
What is your message to the future generation?
Youngsters should join army as a 5 years short service commission. It will help them to get empowered and then decide further on their course of action. Or you have the concept of wedded to the olive green, like I have married an army officer. If you are wedded to a olive green, you get the opportunity to serve the soldiers, their families, and that would give you a satisfaction like no other life would give. If you join the army, you are a leader. You that is a way of life, as I mentioned, and you join army to become a good leader.
Thank you, Major Sapna, for giving your precious time and sharing your experience with us. Have a great day.
Most welcome, Ms. Mishra, and pleasure was all mine. Thank you.
Thank you, audience, for giving us your patience listening. Ideas, comments, suggestions are always welcome. If you have any comments or suggestions, please write in the comment box. Do like and subscribe. Jai Hind.